Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on BBAI just 4 days ago, to be precise on August the 8th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $6.61 at regular hours and at $6.68 at pre-market hours. And guys, my main assumption was that if you want to enter your long position right here, and it was quite decent setup, you have to put your stop loss slightly below previous bottom at around 5.27% of downside potential. And the next price target that should be hit is this previous swing high. And guys, take a look right here. Right after, this is the actual price action of BBAI. Right after I make my previous video, at this very point, this asset went higher and it gained to its highest point about 15% to its value. It broke, guys. It broke this level of support. It hit this price target first of all. And yes, it was quite a good call because in general, when it happens, guys, you have to trim your position at least. On top of that, for my patrons, I also tell that they have to put their stop loss on a safer territory. And that is why, guys, if you know how to properly manage your position, with this massive sell-off that happened right after BBAI published their earnings report, you shouldn't lose any money. And yes, it lost about 35% of its value, 37% of its value from this swing high to this swing low. But in worst case scenario, guys, your downside potential, your potential losses might be only 4, at most cases 5%. This is how technical analysis works, and if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, for now, you can join my Patreon account. You can join 2 tiers of my Discord group. One of them costs you $50 a month, and you will have 30-minute one-on-one Zoom call once a month. But if you join with the gold tier, you will have a weekly one-on-one training session with me for just $150 a month. And guys, to be honest, this is the most popular tier for my patrons right now. And let me show you a sneak peek on the most recent activity in the Discord group. Just recently, I published the recap of the week of July 28th through August the 3rd. And let me quote you this. On Monday, I prepared a list of 13 tickers that looked most promising for short positions. As of August the 6th, 10 of them delivered returns ranging from 0.33% to 24.4%, an average profit of 6.1%, while only 3 tickers showed a potential loss between 0.85% and 1.74%, an average loss of 1.22%. More detailed information is available in the attached images. And you can see that I made this call on July 28th, and I wrote, here's a list of tickers that might present shorting opportunities. Please remember, this is not a blind trade signal. Further technical analysis is required before taking actions. And here is the list of the tickers that gained substantial profits. It is 10 of them, and only 3 went in completely opposite direction. I also gave a direct short scalping recommendation on Tesla and Oracle. Both brought an average profit of around 1.5%. In addition, I identified one ticker suitable for a medium-term short position. If you'd like to know which company that is, join my Patreon. As usual, I provided a detailed market overview and analyzed the following tickers: SPY, BBAI, NOV, UNP, NEO, UAA, and CRWV. So guys, if you want to be a part of this amazing community, join my Patreon.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you what crucial levels this asset hit in its recent price action. I will show you what fundamental news we have and what should we expect next from the price action. So And first of all, I want to pay attention to the news that was the reason of this substantial sell-off. Definitely it is their earnings report, and they missed an expectations on earnings by whopping 1000%, and on revenue they missed their expectations by 20%. On top of that, guys, take a look at this article. It was published just yesterday, and it says, it's titled, Why BigBear.ai Stock is Plummeting Today. And here are 3 bullet points. BigBear.ai released its second quarter results yesterday, and sales and earnings came in well below Wall Street targets. The company also issued a large downward revision for its annual sales guidance. And I told to my viewers in my previous video that one of the most important parts of their earnings report is their guidance, is their expectations. Unfortunately, they were not so promising, and that is why this substantial sell-off happened. And the third bullet point is following. BigBear.ai missed out on government contracts that is expected to close, which raises questions about its positioning in the defense AI space. And I have to say that this is quite alarming news, I would say, because it is showing that potentially something is wrong with their with their internal business processes. And despite all these facts, guys, let me show you very bullish news. First of all, I want to pay attention to this chart, and on my previous video I already showed you this. And this last green bar was a little bit higher than these 2 bars. But for now we have an updated information, and this increasing number of institutional ownership of BBAI stock leads me to the conclusion that we have a lot of bullish momentum from this so-called smart money investors list. And definitely they make very thorough due diligence, and potentially they know about the problems that that this company might face in their closest in their upcoming quarters. But despite that, a lot of hedge funds, a lot of analytic firms are buying this share. On my previous video, I showed you that BlackRock and Vanguard opened completely new position, roughly 20 million shares each, and it represents about 6.8 and 7.14% ownership of the entire company. But I want to pay attention to the biggest positions in this list. This is the most recent actions of hedge funds and institutional investors. And you can see, for example, the very first string is Legal and General Group PLC, added 100% to its current position, and for now they hold $2.274 million in value in this stock. Next one, Deutsche Bank, added 132% to its current position, and they hold around $1.3 million in value. Next one, JPmorgan added a huge chunk of new shares to their existing position, and they hold almost $16.3 million in value in this asset. Another several companies added substantial 980 and 113%, and they hold 2.5 and 4.5, almost $4.5 million in value. And guys, you can find a lot of famous names like Swiss Bank, who added 50% to its position and they hold 3.7. Charles Schwab also added 160% and they hold $5.2 million in value in this stock. And BlackRock, you can see that it also added 150% to their position, and it is 13F filings. So definitely these investors will not I assume they will not sell these positions in the foreseeable future. That is why BigBear.ai might be quite lucrative in the long-term perspective. But let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, from the technical standpoint, I see that, well, probably we might assume that this is the local bottom for this asset, and potentially it can be the bottom of the fourth wave. Let me show you the breakdown from this top, and we know that C wave should have 5 waves in it. Previously I could count all 5 waves in this movement to this bottom. But this bottom was broken, and well, technically speaking, we potentially might have something like this. This is the first wave, second, third, this is fourth, and this is the contender to be the fifth wave of the C wave of the bottom of the fourth wave in this scale. And if it is the case, guys, you can see that this lowest point is the confluence with this bottom as well. It is a structural range of support, and right now it is retesting this bottom as the range of resistance. Everything should happen within the next couple of sessions, because if this asset breaks this level of resistance to the upside, let me mark it for you like this. If it breaks this range to the upside, and for now we have first rejection, it will definitely recover very soon. But if the rejection out of this range happens in the upcoming session, in my opinion, it should hover for quite some time below $6 mark. And on top of that, guys, this harsh sell-off might not be the end in this case. And if I dig deeper in, let's say, 15 minutes time frame, potentially we have to see another leg to the downside, but it is questionable. For now, it is very questionable, because the crucial level for this asset is $6 mark. Pay your attention to this point, and depending on the price action right after the second retest, and I assume that it should happen within today's or tomorrow's session. If it breaks with the conviction of volume, definitely it will recover very soon. But if it rejects out of this range, well, unfortunately, we have to wait for the next opportunity for this asset. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.